In this video, we will show you how to find a password of connected Wi-Fi. To find a password of connected Wi-Fi, first in here, I'm already connected with this Wi-Fi, Rolling Stone 5. Then you need to open control panel. Just type control panel on your Windows. After you open the control panel, go to view network status and tasks. Maybe your appearance is look like this. You can change into category and select view network status and tasks and choose adapter settings. Okay, this is our Wi-Fi. Just right click in here and select status. After that, choose wireless properties and select security. Just click show characters here. Okay, if you are using smartphone, usually there is a QR code that you can use to see your Wi-Fi, and on your Windows you can doing this step. And for some smartphone like Samsung, you can easily to see your connected Wi-Fi. Just open your connected Wi-Fi here, hold on your Wi-Fi and select the tiles. Choose the tiles. After you choose the tiles, just click this icon. Okay, and in the Samsung you can see the password on this page, but in our case in here there is protected screen in here. And that's all tutorial how to see the password of connected Wi-Fi. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.